Are you zoomed in? Hang on. Tell me my name.
Yo, don't mention her name in it, alright?
Are you dumb?
I know Canadian Thanksgiving was what, last month? Canadian Thanksgiving was what, last month?
I need the like.
I decided to have Friendsgiving Day. Anybody else taking the fact that Shaka Khan's sweet thing is playing in the background?
Because she's so sweet and perfect.
Allah!
For those lonely nights, let's have a girls' night out. Just me and you and the squad.
These guys actually put their hands in before it.
Let's have a girls' night out. Just me and you and the squad.
Yo, Fox, I thought of a good one. Yo, for you, it's a girls' night out. But for us, it's a boys' night in. I apologize.
For you, it's a girls' night out. For the squad, it's a boys' night in.
Yeah, yo, so this is all the food, dog.
I'm very
This is all the food, dog. The jerk chicken, the KFC. I ain't cooked none of this shit, so.
It's all homemade. It's just
recycled the boxes.
Thank you.
So to grab them,
We stopped.
one sock. Bring it to
Auntie Saf made all of this. Uncle Tushan made all of this.
It's like he's like a proud mom.
Saf.
No. He's Steve Harrington.
That's that new extra tape.
First of all, it's silk.
You keep saying that, nigga. But we don't eat pepperoni.
Pineapple.
You're Spanish.
No racial.
What does that have to do with that? Are there bear pigs running around? What the heck? I thought Papa
What did that have to do? Wait, what country is Ezzy from?
Colombia?
Actually,
South?
Yes.
South America?
That's the country.
Where I live in Guatemala, they actually kill pigs. That my neighbors does. So you wake up to pigs dying.
So then how don't you eat pork?
I've never had 4 in my life.
Never?
It's disgusting.
You guys remember that party that I brought you guys to?
Is it happening again?
So the same house, right? There was another party.
Julian's or the night of?
No, the night of.
I'm glad that show came out so we have a name for Francis incident.
That's it. You don't know what he did?
No.
Yo.
Auntie's on the gun.
This is proof that we can't go to a funeral and not be like straight. You guys are laughing at everything.
Story time with the court right now. So here's what happened. I invited 1, 2, him. So he brought a fifth of Jameson. He only finished half of it. He finished 3/4 of it. Around 2 o'clock we had to leave because where he parked he could have gotten the ticket. So he's like, yo, we gotta go. He's on the couch and he's like drifting in and out of consciousness. So I go to him, he's like, yo, I need water. So I go into the kitchen, get him a cup of water. He doesn't even finish it. As soon as I give him the water, he goes, yo, I need to use the bathroom. So we're like, all right, cool. We had to bring him to another bathroom. The main bathroom was in use.
I didn't even try one.
The other bathroom was in the hostess walk-in closet bathroom. We bring him to the bathroom. 2 minutes later, I'm in the living room saying bye to people. All I hear is, your friend's peeing in my litter box. So I go there, right? I open the door. He's planking on the litter box with his thing out. He starts to turn over. I close the door because we've known each other for a long time. I'm not trying to see you. No parts. Then Shaq comes. Shaq's like, I ain't going in there. I'm like, I'm not going in there. One of the girls, her boyfriend, he goes in there and he takes one for the team. He helps put Anthony's pants on, cleans him up and everything. And then Shaq goes in there to help. He brings him out to the hallway. He's fighting himself off of Shaq.
So I have him over my shoulder. I'm walking out. I'm like, yo, drop me. So you try to show you the picture where Anthony's on the ground. That's basically what happened. I put him on the floor and he was out cold. If he's gonna fight me, just let him go unconscious and I'll just pick him up when he can't fight me back.
After that, I go outside. I see him on the floor laying dead. He's taking pictures. We take him up. We bring him downstairs to the lobby. Saf goes to get the car around. We put him in the car. I'm sitting right next to him in the back seat. And I'm like, yo, are you okay? He's like, yo, I'm fine.
It's that time of night.
He starts to get choked up. So I'm thinking, okay, this is. I reach for a bag. He starts puking everything out.
I had a lot of spaghetti.
Everything. He puked everything out into that one bag.
This was someone's car?
It was in Saf's car. After he's done, he's like drifting in and out of consciousness. So we're like, okay, what are we gonna do with him? Are we gonna bring him home? Fuck no, baby. Can't bring him to his house because his dad will kill us by association. He said that his sister lives like nearby, so we're like, okay, we're gonna bring him to his sister's. Okay, we're trying to get him to like unlock his phone so that he can call his sister.
Anthony drifting in and out of consciousness like Anthony. Unlock your phone. It's like, why? Anthony, just unlock your phone. It's like, maybe. Like, it's going on for like a good, like at least 20 minutes. So he finally gives us a number. Finally actually get a number out of him. And you know what he does? He gives us his own number. I forgot about that. He's giving us a number, so I'm thinking, alright, we're getting somewhere. We're gonna be able to take him home. I put the number in my phone and his name pops up. I was livid.
After about 30 minutes, what felt like 30 minutes of trying to get him to unlock the phone, Saf finally decides, okay, let's call it in. We call it in, call the ambulance come. They put him on a gurney, and what they put around, you saw the video, right? He puts like a plastic bag around his neck to make sure, just in case he does need to puke again, he just, yeah. The fact that he was drunk as shit, he passed out, wasn't cooperating, and then to top it all off, we had to bring him to the hospital.
Everything come up that one time, and they knew that I was good. It's just that I wasn't cooperating.
You were bad still. You're a bad boy.
What?
Whoa! What's going on here? What?
Time out.
Said, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Your dad eats chicken?
Nah, see, here's the thing with my dad. He likes to, he tries to legitimize it. He goes, it's not chicken, it's pho.
What does that mean?
What's FAWK spell?
What's that? Like a bird, right?
It's a bird though, right?
No!
It's a bird though, right?
No!
Yeah, there's no bird. It's FAWK.
Hey,
yo, Harry Potter and Fox the Phoenix.
Thank you.
so Esley, now that you've heard this story, give us your reaction, your take.
I'm calling each of your girlfriends to pull your pants off.
Where they at, though?
Hard time reaching them. You can't show your face to that girl.
If I ever see her, I want to apologize to her.
How do you apologize to that?
Yeah, that's a I haven't thought that far.
Not even her. The cat.
I know, your cat is
I took it upon myself to go to Dollarama and get some like Friendsgiving gifts for y'all. So what's for Shaq? It's a punching bag. Saf, I know how amped you were about Yu-Gi-Oh cards, so I bought you some Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
It's time to do.
Fahad, I know how much you like animals, so I got you.
Crazy apes. Yo, why y'all niggas broke? Yo, I ain't broke, bro. It's not even humanly possible.
I know you Guyanese people love your cars,
No racial.
so I got you Hot Wheels. Do you remember that one time we were talking about how you wanted to play golf? Anytime you're on the toilet taking a shit. Speaking of shit, Vipin, this is for you. That's your Smash Brothers trophy. I know you love dinosaurs. That's your dinosaur. For Anthony,
It's gonna be some disrespect.
now
I just know it.
I got you. I couldn't find maracas for you because that's, stereotypical. So I got you an angel.
You're brick. Trash. Take that back.
Oh, you hit it too hard.
Dude, I think I might actually see if I can.
I like.
How you doing one hand when you Donkey Kong?
I'm still doing better than you.
Oh, he's the only man to actually hit it.
At Bay Hill on the 72nd hole.
Who owes who $5?
Nobody.
You didn't bet me.
Right now they're playing for 5, so this is gonna go on for a while.
What do you mean?
Lord, I pray for revenge.
Yo, it's fun. I should play water polo.
Hey, yo, stretch, kid.
It's either you got it in or you're like the closest one.
Ooh. Stop being a shithead, man.
That's why I got it for him. Stop. You're ruining the game.
Do birds ruin a baseball game?
Yes,
How?
when the ball hits it.
And how long? How many times does that happen?
Many. There's a video of this pitcher who was pitching a baseball. It just hit a bird while it was coming, and the bird exploded.
Okay. And now another one.
Huh?
Another instance.
I can't think of another one.
That's not centered.
Oh, you mean like in front of that?
Wait, just hit the couch.
Oh, I see what he's trying to do. He's trying to go to like this.
Line and watch the ball go like all the way around.
It's a very intense game of.
Shut up.
He's just a princess of Egyptian gods here.
Look at
You suck!
Oh, you touched it.
What do you say, kindergarten?
He tried to play it out. He's like, oh, what?
Hey!
Alright,
Cash the check.
since you so broke me, bro.
Deal with it.
Chip it out, bro. Chip it out.
No, you can't.
No, you can't move off.
Yo,
I had something to say.
So what'd you think of your gift?
Yo, it's crazy eights. Like, what more can I ask, man?
Hit that.
But did you like the monkeys on it?
Yo, that monkey is wild. Did you see that monkey's face? What is that? Like, who's doing this, bro?
What'd you think of your gift?
Oh, yeah, the cards were decent.
They were decent?
You ever watch golf on television? It's like watching flies fuck. And a mindless game. Mindless. Think of the intellect it must take to draw pleasure from this activity. Hitting a ball with a crooked stick and then walking after it. And then hitting it again.
You gotta get in the route line. It's gonna go back.
Sorry.
Did it go in between the ovens?
Yeah. I was just gonna say, don't hit it in there.
Oh, no, it's right there.
Why don't you go right?
I'd be like, Radicus?
I might really ask. I think, yo, are we on drugs?
Oh, I think so. Yeah.
Bro, we're in too deep, okay?
No! No!
Wow.
Check out her thing. She's fine.
How could you do that to me?
Wait, where?
Too far.
Well down.
Oh,
How the fuck do you roll all the way back? I barely touched you. Yay!
double or nothing.
I owe you nothing. Yes, sir. Calvin Candy things.
Whoa, what? Yeah, I'm trying to get a dinosaur out of that thing. James Chappelle shit.
This guy's boiling a dinosaur.
All right, then we'll go from the beginning.
This is baller. This is baller shit right here, bro. You know how many dinosaur eggs there are? This is baller shit right here.
This is the most baller shit ever!
Hey, you bought it for me.
White chocolate.
I'm not trying to see the game. It's not.
What did you ask me the last? Blame it! This guy's like that creepy uncle that eats food and just passes out on the camera.
Guy blocked the game.
Hey.
Who won?
Hey, my God. Man blocked the game. You know he blocked the game.
He actually won and I'm second.
Guys, man,
I won.
knocked off the heart and then he blocks the game. Doesn't he know he blocked the game?
I'm just a kid.
You talking about that shit a second ago.
I need to make a phone call. That's exactly what I was going to call.
Call 911.
You know they call back, right?
Yeah, they call back.
What is this?
What's up?
What's your address?
61.
How you
just gonna bait out my scene like that.
Oh yeah, shit, you're recording.
First off, it's still. You ain't talking to no one. You're not stuck with
Who's he getting hyped to? Who's he getting hyped to? No more talking, eh?
What's up? Yo, what's up? You a bitch. Oh, you had the heart to drop you.
What?
What's up?
What you say?
What's up?
What?
That's what I got.
What? What?
Hello?
Oh no, we're alright. That's by accident.
This nigga
If you call him accident,
really called 911, hung up the phone, and guess what? They called back, didn't they?
Private number.
He called them and hung up, and they called back.
No, because then they'll send after the house.
Yeah.
But they can't track it. They don't know where you are.
Yes, they can track it. Yes, they can. They told me I can hang up because they already know where I am.
Nigga, if you don't get this shit off my phone.
Yeah.
Fell anyway. Those winning.
It's Tiger. You started.
Oh, then
Alright. I'm returned. That's for a job.
Wait, what?
Wait, I'm destroyed face. Give me.
Holy shit.
Bad cards last time. You know what?
Oh yeah, I might have lost.
I'm gonna do you good right here.
Hey, wait a minute.
Wait, what?
That's bull.
You ready?
I got leg shield.
Mine is an arrow knocker. Oh, I know. This is
Wait, is this the arrow?
What?
Oh my goodness. Now for a reading of the rules. Court is now in session. Judge Fox presides. Monopoly, fast dealing, property, trading games.
This vlog is brought to you by KFC.
Why every time I go to order some chicken at KFC, I expect some good ass chicken, right? So I open that box, right? It smells nice, I'll admit that. What do y'all make the skin out of, huh?
Yo, it's not even
Foreskin? My foreskin?
Wait, you're Muslim.
Nah, they put foreskin in lotion. Dead ass. They use it for lotion.
So you're a foreskin?
You're using the mold.
Google it. Google where foreskin goes.
I don't want to.
I don't want to Google that.
Yours is for foreskin. Foreskin souffle. Foreskin soup. Foreskin surprise. The surprise is it's all foreskin. Brought to you by Foreskin. We have your back.
Yo, Sam, how much does each person get?
For what?
Monopoly.
That's a good question.
So you gonna tell us or?
Still the champ.
Oh, you finally beat him in Yu-Gi-Oh?
What do you mean? Oh, you should stop me.
Two shots,
What are you
is that
talking
you?
about?
What about that time that you guys were at my house the same day that we played Pokemon Go?
So you spent like $5,000 on Yu-Gi-Oh!
How much did you
You spent all that money on Yu-Gi-Oh! and still lost.
You won by what?
But he won!
But you won by one though. But you won. It was a close game.
Yo, did Atlanta get a second place trophy done? No!
28-3. Two babies.
Georgia don't no longer exist.
Yo, how long has it been since you called the police? Well, since the police called back. Yeah, they haven't showed. It's been like how long? It's been half an hour. They have not showed up, so we're in the clear. How you feel? How you feel about that? How much chicken you want?
Oh, no chicken, just the pie now.
I'll give him a pie to his face.
There's no pie, there's no ice cream.
Put some ice cream on it. Your cream pie is coming, sir.
Wait, what?
What's the satin do-rag about to say?
First of all, it's Sil. I want you to send this message. Chris.
Okay, yeah, no. This is where we sign off.
Gotta run. Later days.